Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher Ms. Sidra Zafar and this is lecture number 18 for grade 5. And remember, it is the revision of unit number 1 investigating the plant growth, and today we are going to study what do plants need to grow. These are the pages from your book. And our topic is what do plants need to grow? Plants need certain things from the environment to make them grow. We call these things factors. Without these factors, plants will not grow well or they might even die. Look at these pictures. Which plant is healthy and growing well? Plant A or plant B? Obviously, the plant B. Plants need warmth, water, light, and air. Plants need water so that they can have strong stems and firm leaves, and they also use water to transport substances such as food to all parts of the plants. Most plants grow best when they get warmth, and most grow better if it is not too hot or too cold. Plants make their own food and they need light energy for this. A plant that does not get light energy grows long, thin stems, becomes weak and dies. Plants are living things and living things need air. Plants without air will die. Light energy is a factor that helps plant to grow. Plants need the energy in sunlight to make food in their leaves, and plants always grow towards the source of light energy. You can see in this picture the direction of the plants are towards the light. Here is an activity to check the necessary factors for the growth of the plant. Ashok and his friend grew some plants in pots. Ashok put his plant in a sunny place and watered it twice a week. Marco put his plant in a shady place and watered it twice a week. Leo put his plant in sunny place but forgot to water it. Tariq kept his plant under the bed and watered it twice a week. After 2 weeks, they measured how much their plants had grown. Here are the lengths of these plants. The plant of the Ashok was green and healthy, and it was 25 centimeter long. And Marco's plant was lighter green and quite healthy, and it was 18 centimeter long. Leo's plant dry and brown, and it was 6 centimeter long. Tariq's plant was thin and weak and it was 14 centimeter long. Here are some questions. Please answer these questions. Question number 1. Whose plant grew the best? And whose plant grew the worst? Why did Leo's plant look dry and brown? And why was Marco's plant smaller than Ashok's? Explain why Tariq's plant was thin and weak. Predict the height of a plant placed in a greenhouse and watered. Explain your prediction as well. Draw another bar on your chart to show your prediction. Thank you so much, student. This was the topic of today. Answer these questions and send me a photo clip on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. In the next lesson, we will study plants and light. Thank you.